In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find and remove viruses on your Android phone. If your phone is acting slow, showing strange pop-ups, or draining battery unusually fast, don't panic. We will move through a clean, simple process to track down harmful apps and clear out anything they may have changed. First, run a scan right away with Google Play Protect. Open the Google Play Store, tap your profile icon, then Play Protect, and choose Scan. Play Protect checks apps on your device for harmful behavior and compares them against Google security data. If anything is flagged, follow the prompt to uninstall it immediately. This quick check is built into Android, so it's fast and safe to use. Next, add a second layer of protection with a trusted antivirus app. Install a reputable security tool such as Malwarebytes from the Google Play Store, open it. Let it update its definitions, and run a full scan. This can catch adware and other unwanted programs that standard tools sometimes miss. If it detects something, use the app's remove or quarantine option and allow it to finish cleaning. Now, manually review your apps. Go to Settings, then Apps, and scroll through the list. Paying special attention to unfamiliar names or anything installed recently around the time problems started. Tap an app you don't recognize and choose Uninstall. If an app is a core system component and only offers disable, leave it alone. Focus on third-party apps you don't use, don't remember installing, or that request excessive permissions. After that, clear your browser data to stop intrusive ads or redirects that came from cached files. Open Settings, go to Apps, find Chrome, tap Storage, and select Clear Cache, then Clear Data. This removes temporary files and cookies that can re-trigger pop-ups. Be aware this will sign you out of websites and reset site settings, which is normal. Finally, update your software to patch any security vulnerabilities. Open Settings and check for a system update. Download and install any available updates. Keeping Android current closes known loopholes that malware tries to exploit and helps prevent a repeat of the problem. With these steps completed, your Android should feel smoother, and you will greatly reduce the chance of future infections. Thanks for watching.